going to show you guys how to make an Adobe Muse e-commerce website, and it's very simple. You don't need any coding, nothing too advanced. And so this is the homepage. You can see all our description, what we are, a little footer on the bottom. And so we're going to hit shop now. It's going to take us to our collection, and you see these are rollover, nice and rollover. And so we're going to click on any of these, and it's going to enlarge the picture. You can see the product more, and it's going to tell you a little description of the item, and you can pick the size, whatever size you need, and then you can add to cart. It's going to take you to PayPal, and then it's going to give you a little brief description of what you have in your cart. You could actually hit continue shopping. You could put a little X right here, and it's very simple. We're going to add a different thing to the cart, right? So you can actually change the quantities on these. Let's say we wanted to update. It's going to give you a grand total. And whenever you have this enabled, it's going to email you whenever somebody makes an order or something like that. And so we're going to go right into Adobe Muse to see how we made it. And so this is the home page. As you can see, just a bunch of text and graphics. We have the footer on the bottom. And so here in our collection, now the way I made this is a slideshow. It's a Lightbox slideshow. And so each of these products is an image in the slideshow, and it's going to bring up this Lightbox. And here we have a code from PayPal, and it's going to give you a brief description and little X. And so we're going to see how we make this. And so here I made a simple page. And so we're going to go to Object, Insert Widget, Slideshow, and Lightbox. And so it's going to give us a Lightbox right here. Now you can put this anywhere right now for the time being. And so we're going to hit the little arrow. It's going to go to add images. And so just make a folder where you want your images to be. And so we're going to pick the images right now. Just any random images. It's loading. And so you can see these are our products. So we're going to move this away. Whenever you're moving stuff, just remember to bring everything with you. You can hit shift, shift. And so we can move this away right here. It's not really going to show up. Actually, what you could do is, where's the little thingy? You can hit this, and where it says show Lightbox while editing, you can uncheck that. And so we're going to make this a lot bigger. Alright, perfect. So you're going to pick any item and just make them bigger. Alright, so what I'm doing is just importing more items. Now, the more items you have, the longer it's going to take to process the page, but it isn't that bad. And so we're going to go on here. And so basically just double click on any, oh, we got to bring up the thing. And so we're going to show Lightbox parts while editing. And so this is basically the Lightbox. You can change this color to any color you really desire. So we're going to change this to orange, why not? Now, we're not really going to need this unless if you want it. And so we can just delete this. That's just to scroll through the images. Now, you're going to need this text. Not necessarily you're going to have to put anything in it, but you're going to need it to put the buy now button. So we're going to make this bigger. Alright, we're going to move her around. That's alright. And let's item 1. Alright, perfect. And so now that we have this, we're going to go to PayPal. And so here I have PayPal open. And basically, you're going to put a shopping cart. and so it's gonna add to cart, and so you can name it whatever you want. Item 1. Now the ID is anything for you personally, what you want. Set the price. Let's put $100. You could add a text field if you're making cakes or something, whatever you want to add. The options, option 1, 2, 3. All right. The tax rate if you need deferred tax. You can even add shipping if you want to charge for shipping. All right. And so here we have the code. And so you can just select code. And we're going to come back here. And just hit one time enter and paste the code on there. Sometimes it doesn't get it. We're going to just hit cut. Select the text and paste. It has to paste it inside. Once it's inside that little text area, you're allowed to move it a little bit more. You have to make sure it's inside the text area. Alright, and so we can just kind of preview this, how it looks right now. And so, bam. You have the little add to cart, little option, add to cart. And it should, now you have to do this for every single one. It's just simple cut and paste. Or copy and paste, sorry. So here inside, paste. And so you just have to make that for every single one. You move around. Try and get everything exactly the same. And that's basically it.